Hello, we are the Grounded Planners, and we will be presenting our solution to Challenge 4. Our team is made up of Talia, Chris, Meg, Dave, and Holly. Challenge 4 addresses large projects that are ambitious, complex, and unpredictable. Even with careful planning, unexpected setbacks, budget overruns, or resource inefficiencies can throw schedules off track. But what if we could anticipate these risks before they happen? We took the challenge to build a system that forecasts project delivery timelines using data trends and machine learning.
Introducing TerraCast, the ultimate solution for project managers, portfolio directors, and data analysts seeking to enhance schedule performance predictions. TerraCast is a cutting-edge, data-driven forecasting platform. It provides accurate, explainable, and continuously improving schedule forecasts. Unlike traditional static scheduling tools, TerraCast employs machine learning, semi-automated data quality checks, and cross-project learning. These advanced features allow TerraCast to identify risks earlier, enabling teams to proactively realign delivery plans. By intervening sooner, TerraCast helps ensure projects stay on track, offering a significant advantage over conventional scheduling methods. Experience the future of project management with TerraCast.
Solution overview. Data is loaded into our web application that is locally hosted Python Flask application. This data is then fed into our Python machine learning models, which produce a forecast for our data. This forecasted data is then used to update our Power BI dashboards, which are finally refreshed in our web application.
So now just a little bit of an overview of the two machine learning models that were built. So they're both just simple logistic regression model first, and then into a multivariate linear regression model afterwards. So logistic regression just is predicting if the project is later on time, and the linear regression is just predicting the likely amount of days late that project will be. So then we go into the logistic regression stats. So the accuracy was not too bad, so it's about 74%. And as you can see down that bottom left hand side, you can see precision and recall on F1 score, and then the confusion matrix to the right. So as you can see, the true negatives is an area that needs to be made better. And then the linear regression, so on the left there is the coefficients. As you can see, the planned duration days is a big coefficient. R squared score is fairly average, and the root mean squared error is of 9. So not too bad there.
Using the output from the machine learning model, we created an interactive dashboard in Power BI. The top-level overview highlights projects at risk in both schedule and cost, with options to see high-level project data. For example, we've created an actuals versus forecast versus baseline graph, projects late and overspent, the variance at completion of all projects, how likely the project will continue to be late. There's a heat map that shows location of projects where there are the most delays. The linear regression shows the accuracy of our model. You can drill down, for example, using gate D, project 532, and it shows the overview in all these areas. Our cost drill down dashboard is further opportunity to look into projects of interest with cost-only aspects. We have also created a mock-up EV dashboard to further opportunity to add aspects of machine learning via a decision tree, which could potentially allow us to predict multiple outcomes instead of binary outcomes.
Within the web application, a project can be created. Files can then be uploaded for each project using the drop box on the upload page. Clicking the forecast button will trigger the machine learning models to predict on uploaded data. This is then used to refresh the Power BI dashboards on the dashboards page, where the user can then drill down into the views as required.
TerraCast is a different kind of forecasting solution, one that doesn't just tell you when things are planned to finish, but warns you before things go wrong and explains why. At its core is human explainable machine learning, live model and human workflow integration. It's built for portfolio, not just projects, and is production ready. If we had more time, we would model an automated data cleaning tool that users could utilize to prepare the data before loading into the machine learning model. We would set up direct integration between the web application and Power BI to allow for automatic dashboard updates. Also, we would create a new machine learning model to predict the spectrum of lateness. We could set up automated email notifications and recommendations for users based on project status, and we could build a data model to track the sustainable projects and sustainability scores based on different ESG frameworks. TerraCast is the solution you wish had existed, a fully adaptive scheduling ecosystem that learns from every project and integrates across project tools. With cross-industry data sharing and early risk warnings, you can expect more predictable delivery. In response to the first question from the judges, we found the features in our dataset that are most predictive of delays to be planned duration days, cost performance index, planned cost, and project stage. In response to question 2, the patterns in poor quality projects that we identified are the correlation that late projects are highly likely overspent, London has more complex projects that were late, and Glasgow has more late projects with low complexity. In response to question 3, the current models that we have built will only take the certain features that we have chosen to train our models on. To ingest new data types, we would just need to have the data with the new features we have chosen, manually clean and normalize the data, and then retrain each model. Better forecasting means smarter decisions. No more last-minute surprises, just clear insights, early interventions, and confidence in every project timeline. Let's redefine project predictability together. Start leveraging TerraCast today.